Areas in your home where granite is not a suitable choice. Dear friends, granite is a durable and elegant material, but it's not suitable for specific areas in a house due to its properties and maintenance needs. Here are the main areas where granite is not ideal. 1. Bathroom floors. Granite can become very slippery when wet, which makes it unsafe for bathroom floors or shower areas. It can also stain from soap, shampoo, or hard water deposits. 2. Laundry rooms. The high moisture and presence of harsh detergents can damage the polish and cause staining on granite surfaces over time. 3. Outdoor areas exposed to harsh weather. In regions with extreme heat, cold, or rain, granite may crack or fade due to temperature changes and moisture absorption. 4. Basements or damp areas. Granite is somewhat porous, and in wet conditions, it can absorb moisture, leading to mold growth or discoloration. 5. Children's play areas. Granite is brittle and unforgiving, so it's not suitable for places where children might fall or play, as it increases the risk of injury. 6. Garage floors or work areas. Heavy impacts or chemical spills, like oil, grease, or paint, can stain or damage granite surfaces, making them impractical in such spaces. In short, avoid using granite in wet, slippery, or high-impact areas of your home. It's best suited for kitchen countertops, dining areas, and living room flooring where its strength and shine can be appreciated safely. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.